Ladies and gentlemen, today I have a new food to show you guys, and especially the fresh nature like this to show you. Wow, it is the beautiful mountain with a yummy food everyone. So today I have land in the beautiful fresh like this and will show you guys about my eating so everyone, you can see my food today. I have fish, frog, fry, yeah. So now I'm going to show you about my eating with all of this food. So now let me eat and tell you guys about its taste. This is the countryside food and it looks like so yummy. So if you guys want to know about its taste, I'm going to tell you. We have fish, rice, and also our tamarind with chili, like this. The best! It's really good. This is our frog with some ingredient inside of it. Tamarind and chili. The best food with beautiful landscape like this. It really is so fresh and fresh air. It's really spicy because of our chili. This is the real food in countryside. Cinnamon frog. Like this. Really yummy. It's the best taste. Why it's yummy like this? Oh, food in countryside. Everyone, I think you are mouth watering with this video because of it look like so yummy and it tastes it's so yummy too. The best. Everyone, don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more the roads in countryside like this, everyone, especially the beautiful landscape like this to show you more for the next video and for other video. One more cinnamon frog. It with rice and also tamarind and chili. The best. Now I'm enough of my eating and I think it is time to say goodbye, but everybody don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube. Yeah, so now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for support me by subscribe my channel. Goodbye.